been following me on YouTube for a minute, you know that I struggle finding some jeans. I think this is the only one that works for me. What's good YouTube, Ash Bash, back again with another video. And these are two pairs of jeans that I copped, I think, during Black Friday, Pretty sure I had some sort of discount when I copped them. We'll see when I open up the bag and see if there's a discount on the receipt or whatever. But basically, I wasn't really thinking about buying them. Then one of my mates was asking on Twitter what were the jeans that I rocked, my ripped jeans with the zipper. He was saying, where did I get them from? Then I was trying to find it on H&M. Couldn't find it, but I discovered these two ones, which are basically similar to those, but non-distressed versions of it. And I figured it's getting a bit chilly right now, so the whole knee blowouts ain't really working in this super cold weather. So I figured some jeans actually fit me, that look dope, that are comfortable, no rips. Why not go for it? Especially as I'm pretty sure there was a discount. But anywho, let's open it up, show you what I got. So looking at the receipt, I did get a discount. It was £7 off both items. You do the math on what that discount was. But anywho, here are the two pairs of jeans. One in a darker denim, one in a lighter denim. They don't have the name on it. Yeah, they don't have the name on it. But they have a little tag. I'll link in the description anyways what these are. But basically, I think they come down under joggers. And I'm pretty sure they're zipper ones as well. So they don't have your traditional like buttons or zip at the top. It's like a tracksuit bottoms basically. It's got a elastic in the waist, which works for me better with my fluctuating weight and for comfortability and all that. But yeah, let's open them up, show you what's going on. So this pair here is the darker denim. As you can see, it's got the little drawstrings, which are cool. Everything is fair of God adjacent these days. But yeah, it's got two back pockets that open up. One pocket on the side here. And it's got a little bit of a crinkle effect towards the end of the leg, which I do think is pretty dope. And then it has some zippers on here as well, YKK zippers to be exact. So pretty good quality, opens up nicely. So depending on what you rock, you can have it closed, have it open, whatever you think it looks better. But yeah, let me see the tag for the name. No, it doesn't say anything. I've got a Euro 36 in all my zipper pants from H&M. That is the size that I go for. It fits me nicely, so I can't imagine these don't fit me. H&M is pretty consistent with their sizings. So I'll show you the other pair. So this other pair is in more of a wash denim look, pretty similar to the distressed pair that I have. As I said, I needed an undistressed pair of jeans, definitely for this weather. But again, it's got that crinkle towards the leg, which is fire. And again, it's got some zippers. These ones are in, is it the same colour? Yeah, they're both in that sort of, I don't know what colour you call that. It's not bronze. Ignore me. But yeah, they both got zippers on the bottom. Drawstrings as well. 36 again. Fire. Super dope. Quickly try them on, show you what they look like. There you go. And we're done. So that's both jeans on body. Which colour do you think is better? I really needed a pair of jeans in this colour because I've got some kicks that just don't work with the lighter wash. I needed a darker wash, so glad to finally have that. Change up the look a bit. It feels like I haven't really worn jeans that much lately anyways. Been rocking more zipper pants most of the times, mainly because of the weather and that these just fit a bit better than my normal jeans. But anywho, Ash Bash signing off. Hopefully you've enjoyed this apparel video. Like, comment, subscribe. If you've got any questions about this, about anything else, holler at me, I'll get back to you ASAP. Signing out, Leo.